Welcome to this part of the video. In this video, we will be explaining that what is dictionaries in Python. Okay. So previous parts you can check in. We have discussed that what is a list, what is a tuple, and what is a set. And this part we will discuss what is dictionaries. So what is a dictionaries? Dictionaries are used to store data values. That is also same case in tuple and sets. They also store multiple data values. But what is the difference here? In dictionary, the data is stored in a pair of key and value. So there will be a key and there will be a corresponding value. So in dictionary, it is stored in this manner, key value pairs. Okay, and dictionary are ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. You cannot enter duplicate values in the dictionary, as in case of set also. In set also, if you add any duplicate value, it just ignores that. Okay, now next point is that in Python 3.7 and above, so this dictionary is actually ordered, and below that is Python 3 version 3.6 and below or earlier that it will be unordered. So depending upon which Python version is used, it will be ordered or unordered. Now let us see that what is a how you can declare a dictionary and how does that look. So see here, one variable I have taken here, that is the dict1. So just a variable, and here I have entered some pairs here. So first I have written brand, and brand is I have written Tata. Basically what I am doing here is I am just creating one dictionary related to a car. So brand is Tata, and the model of the model of the car is Tata Punch, which is now nowadays very famous, and year of the model that came into picture is 2022. So like this, not 2022, it before that, but just for example, let's say 2022. So that's how you declare a dictionary. How? Key, then its value, then key, then its value, and then again key, and then its value. So these are separated by colon. So if I print this dictionary value, and if I want to know what is the type of the dictionary, so see what value it is giving us. You can see, if I just print dictionary, then it is giving me the dictionary value that I have entered. And one thing here, if I just write dict1, the variable here, so how it is printing, see here. Okay, so if you use the print variable also, you can print the dictionary. If you use only dict1 also, you can print. And here you see in between you have printed, I have printed the print type of the dictionary or type of the variable. For me here, dict1 is a variable here, and the type of the variable is what? It is dict. Okay, that means dictionary is the class of the variable. Next point is what? Duplicates are not allowed in the dictionary. So see here what I have done, I have just used the same dictionary that I have created here, and one more value I have added here is the same key, that is year. So previously the year was 2022, and I have just added one more value to the year, that is 2020. So if I use this one, and if I print this, sorry, this one, so see what it is coming. So it is just printing the year 2020, it is not taking the year 2022. That means it is overwritten. So you can always take only one key value for one key for a one value. You cannot take multiple keys. Okay, multiple, a duplicate means multiple keys, not multiple values. Okay, so if you add one more variable here, then you can take it. So we'll see that later also. So now in later also see, if you want to add multiple values here, then how do you do that? That will also see multiple values to a single key. So next is what is the length of a dictionary. So to do that, so simple length also we have printed in set and tuple. So just len is the function, and in the inside the len function we have to pass the variable that is declared here. So if I pass that, it is telling me that the length of the dictionary is 3. Why it is 3? Because here 3 values are stored, 3 items are stored. What are the items? One is brand, one is model, and one is year. But year is duplicated here, so it is taking as 1. So that means here 3 items are entered into a dictionary. Okay, so this is how the length of a dictionary. Next is what are the data types the dictionary can take. So see, here I have taken one data type, this brand is the key and data type is string Tata. Model is a key, data type is punch. Year is a key, and the data type we have taken as 2022, that is integer. and then we have taken electric or not. We need to know whether it is electric or not. Tata Punch doesn't come in electric variant, so we can write here false also. That means it is a boolean. And then the color, what are the color available? So color we can give multiple values here, right? So if you want to give multiple values, you have to declare the key once and pass a list, tuple or a set here. You can pass anything here. So here I have given what? Here I have given one tuple here. Okay, that means red, white and blue is a combination of tuple here. Now if I print the dictionary here, so let us see what it is printing. So it is printing all the values with the keys. So brand is Tata, model is Punch, year is 2022, electric or not, it is printing false, it is not electric, and color is red, white and blue that we have taken here. Next is we can access the values in the dictionary through the key. So point is, how do you access the value? In case of set and tuple and your list, you can access that through the index value. But here, as in case of it is also not order or unorder, you cannot access that through index value. So you can access that through the key values. Okay. So if I write x equals to, I am declaring a variable x that is equals to what? The value that is corresponding to the color key of the dictionary. So dict1, and I need to add, I need to access the values which is inside the color, and then we are printing the x here. So let us see what we are getting. So okay, so here I have written type of the x, and we can print the x. So if I print the x here, then see what is the, what it is printing? It is printing red, white and blue. And if I want to know what is the type of that, so what I am doing here, x is a variable I am declaring, and then I am assigning the value color key to the x. So color is what? Color is basically a tuple here. So if I run this code, then it will give me that your type of x is a class is tuple. Okay, so that's what is happening here. Next is what other other method you can use to get a value. So one function you can use, get function. So dict1 is the variable dot get, and get what? Get the brand. So here if I run this code, then it will give me the brand of that brand of the car, that is Tata. Okay, so if I print now, if I want to know what is the type of this, so what it will be? It will be a string, obviously, because Tata we have given the value as a string. Next is, if I want to know what are the keys available in the dictionary. So here we have declared the dictionary, so we know the keys are like brand, color, model and all. But there are dictionaries which are so many numbers of keys are there, and it's a predefined, we have not defined. So how to get those keys? In some data science and all, it will be used. First you know the keys, then you access the values. And with specific keys you can do specific operations as well. So to get that, one function is there, keys. Okay, so what it will do, whatever the keys are there inside the dictionary, it will assign to a variable that is keys. Okay, so keys is a variable here, and this one is a function. Let us just to avoid the confusion, let me take the variable like this, all keys in the dictionary. Okay, if I run this, let us see what output it is giving. Okay, not types, we'll just print the all keys. Okay, so what thing it is taking? So all the keys are what? Brand, model, year, electric and color. These are the keys used inside the dictionary. Okay, and the type it takes the class as the dictionary keys. Next is, how do you change any value in the dictionary? So here if I just first will print the dictionary value, and then we'll change the brand name to not company. Let's say we'll take Honda. Okay, after that we'll print what I am doing here, the brand, the key value means the value assigned to the brand, we are changing that. Previously it was Tata, now I am making it to Honda. So let us see what is happening. So first the brand was Tata here, right? After this changing this value, what it is now, the brand is Honda here. Like this you can change the other keys as well. So next is, how to get the keys. We just explained, I just explained here how to get the keys. Now how to get the values, all the values that is available inside that. So for that I am just taking two variables to differentiate. One is x, one is z. So x is what? X we want to assign all the keys available in the dictionary, and to the z we want to declare what are all the values available in the dictionary. Now if I run this code, so you see here what is the output. So x, it is printing dict keys, that is the class, and these are the class: brand, model, year, electric and color. These are the keys. Okay, now I am printing the z, second statement printing z. So what is z here? Z is the values that are assigned to the keys. So values, only values are Honda, Punch, 2022. False means for electric I have written false, red, white and blue. Okay, next is if I want to get all the keys and all the values. So how do we do that? Individually we can access it, but how to access that as a combination? So I am taking a variable xz, and here I am passing one function items. Okay, dict1 is my variable, that is dictionary variable, and dot items is the function I am using, and then I am just printing the xz variable. So let us see what output is giving. So here it is printing the full dictionary for me. So first you can see in the curly braces you have written, it has written brand Honda, then one more round bracket it has written model as Punch, then one more round bracket it has written year as 2022. So see here, when entering the dictionary you use the key and then the colon to assign the values, but when it is printing all the values, it is bounding each element or each item in a round bracket. Okay, so now this is also a convenience way of declaring a declaring your variable, declaring your dictionary. So it looks more comfortable rather than the previous type of entry. So here I have written all the things in one line, but you can just press a enter here and you can enter these values like this. So it is more convenient. So that's what I have shown here. Okay, now here one more thing I wanted to show here, that how we can add any new key to the existing dictionary. So previously I am just printing the dictionary value. First I am printing what is the existing dictionary, so that can be created like this, and then I am dict1, I am passing one key value here in square bracket. If you write, it will take it as a key by default. If there is a variable which is dictionary, and if you write dictionary and in the square bracket whatever you write, it will be the key. And remember, in the key always is taken as a string here. So that's what I have taken here. I am adding one more variable, that is price, and the price I am passing a string here which is 8 to 10 lakhs. Okay, now again I am printing this. So see what I am doing here is, so here I am doing is I am just printing the value before entering the value, and I am printing after entering a new value. So now let us run this and see what output we are getting. So first you see, in the first print statement up to color it is here, and in the second print statement the price is added. That means one new value or the one new item is added to the dictionary. What is that? That is the price, which is 8 to 10 lakhs. Okay, so this is how you can add one value to the dictionary. Now here what you can do, how you can update a specific key or specific item here. So for that, the dict1, that is the variable dot, the function is update, and whenever there is a function you have to write that in the round bracket. So inside the function I have taken, and inside that what I need to do, I need to change one item here. Item means corresponding key, and I need to change the value. So previously the electric was what? False here. So see here, the electric key and the value was taken as false. Now what I am going to do, I am just changing that value to true. So let us see if I print this. Okay, here I have printed it for 2 times. So first one is dict1 and print dict1. So it is printing in the line manner. If I print just write dict1, then it is printing like this, because I have entered this value as like this. Okay, that's why it is taking like this. So next, this is just to show the difference. If you enter the dictionary like this, then the dictionary, if you just write the variable, then it will print like this also, which is convenient to see. Now one thing to note here is, see, the electric value is now changed to true. here also and here also. Previously what it was, the electric value was false here. Okay, now it is changed. Next is, how do you delete one variable in from the dictionary? So here, how to delete item. Okay, so see here what we are doing. So first I am just adding that variable to a new dictionary value, so that the original dictionary value should not change. So I am just copying the dict1 value to the dict2 value. So now this is how you can just copy one dictionary value to another variable. So that's what I have done here. Next is what I have done, dict dot pop and year. So pop will delete one variable. So what the thing is here, instead of, in case of your set, tuple, set and list, what is done, only pop means it will delete the last entry item. Okay, but in case of your dictionary, in the pop you have to pass one argument here. Okay, so that is the year argument I am passing. That means you delete the value of the key, that is year. So this variable, this value will be now, this item will be now deleted. So let us see that. So see here, the year value is not now, year item is not now present here. Okay, so next you can use the pop item. So pop will take one argument at least, and the pop item will delete the last entered value. So let us see, if I run this, what is the output here? So you see the last entered value is price, and now it is deleted here. Okay, if you run this again, so now it has deleted one more value. So which value is deleted? Color. Okay, if I run this again, it is again deleting the values, right? So this is how the pop works. And then if you want to delete the if you want to clear all the values then what you need, so if you just use the function clear here, then what it will do, it will clear all the values inside the dictionary. Okay, only the dict2 will be entry means empty value here. So next one thing you can do also, you can delete all the you can delete the whole dictionary itself. Okay, so how to do that? So you can delete the whole dictionary by this function. Yeah, so if I write here delete space dict2, okay, now the whole dictionary will be deleted. And after this, what I will do, I will just try to print the dict2. So see here, previously the values inside the items inside the dictionary is cleared, means no value is there, just a empty value. But now if I am printing this executing this delete dictionary, and then I am trying to print the dictionary2 value, let us see what is there. Some error is there. So what is the error? Name dict2 is not identified. Why? Because see, the first line is executed, so delete dictionary2, this variable is deleted, and after that I am printing the dict2. When it is deleted, it is throwing me some error here. Now if I use the dict1 here, okay, dict2 is already deleted, so it is not taking. I need to run this code. Wait, first I will run this one. Okay, dictionary is deleted and empty, so I need to assign that here. Sorry, I think some error is there. Okay, so this is here. Now this is, I will run this one, then dictionary2 is there. So see, dictionary2 value is there. Now at last if I run this one, so dictionary2 is deleted, but it is printing the dictionary1. So if I write here dictionary2, then it will throw me an error that dictionary2 does not exist, because it is already deleted. So that's why you can do separate operations on a dictionary, and you can use the dictionary, you can get the values, and you can get the items, you can get the keys. So all the things you can do with the dictionary. So with this we'll end this video here, and in the next video we'll meet with some new concept. So please watch the next video as well. Thank you.